Hello everyone. Topic for today is Google Ads. So I am your mentor Shashank and let's start. So today we learn about Google Ads, Google AdWords. So what is AdWords? AdWords is a service where you can buy ads on Google and Google search partners. Using AdWords, you can display your website above, beside or under the organic search results of the search engine result page. A search engine result page you see when you have typed a search within Google. Okay, so let's understand in details what exactly it is. So whenever we type something on Google and search for something, so we have seen many times there are advertisements shown, and in small letters there is ad written over there, right? So whenever you want to place your website's advertisement on those positions, like when you search for some places, so in that there is advertisements. When you search for some websites, so there is advertisements. On the right hand side, when you search on a computer device, there are advertisements on the right hand side. So there are many places where your advertisements can be shown. Also, your advertisements can be shown on different websites on which Google Ads is activated. So we see sometimes we visit some website and there we can see the advertisements are played. Okay, so that is also through Google Ads. So AdWords is a service that helps you place your ads on multiple websites. Okay, and I have pasted here a screenshot from Google which shows that how your pricing are done for Google AdWords. So you can set a budget cap. Also, you can stay flexible with your budget. Okay, and you have only to pay for results. So going ahead, we'll learn about these things in details. Okay, so let's see what basically is a budget cap. Set an advertising budget and never spend more than your monthly limit. So suppose you are a small business or even if you're a large business, you have monthly budget for each type of advertisement. So once you put the budget cap on your advertisements, so Google will not show once you have exhausted your budget. Then stay flexible. No need to commit to a long term contract. Add just your advertising budget or pause your ads whenever you need. Okay, so it's not like that. In IPL, in TV we have seen that they pay for advertisement, they pay hefty amount and then their ads are running. Once they have paid, so their ads will run all the season. No, once your ads is started and you see that it is working, you can continue. If you see it's not working, you're not gaining customers, you're not gaining profit, you can stop right there and pay for results. So when you advertise on TV or on newspaper, so what happens? If people are seeing ads or not seeing ads, you are paying because your ad is being played or printed, right? But here you will only have to pay when people click and do a desired action for your advertisement, right? So that is AdWords. So basically, AdWords is a platform where Google sells its advertisements. Next, what is pay per click? So placing an ad within Google AdWords operates on a pay per click basis, meaning that some advertising only pay when a visitor click on the advert and is then redirected to the advertiser's website. So suppose you search for something on Google and there is advertisement and then there are organic search, right? So the advertisements you see, if you click on that, then the website which is showing that advertisement will have to pay to Google. If you don't click on it, then it will not pay to Google, even if you're seeing the ad, right? That is pay per click. So suppose there is an a company that is advertising, and then you see its advertisement below the Google search bar, and when you scroll down, you see the website is also appearing by organic search as well. So if you click on the organic search, the result without the advertisement, then the company is not paying when you are going to its website. But if you click on the ad, then the website will have to pay to Google to make you come on its website, right? That is pay per click. So as much as click the ad gets, you have to pay as per that. Okay. So here is a graph that is shown. Okay. So let's see. This is the graph, and what this, so this denotes ad views. So suppose your ad is viewed this number of times, but people are visiting only this, the blue line. So you don't have to pay for this. Okay. So in traditional advertisement like TV advertisement, newspaper advertisement, what you pay for is ad views. You don't pay for a real advertisement, right? The real results that advertisement is getting. Okay. Now let's move to our next part. What are campaigns? AdWord is set up so you can create campaigns and ad groups to manage different type of campaigns. Okay. So in campaigns you can set different type of advertisements. Okay. So here we can see. So whenever you see an ad on Google, it always has this ad symbol with it. And for a same business, you can create different type of campaigns. Okay. This, then on mobile, then on uh, Google Maps. So there are different type of advertisements that can be created within the Google, and each advertisement is a different campaign, right? Now this is the console of Google Ads, where you can see how your ads are performing, how many clicks it is getting, what is the conversion, and much more about your advertisements. Okay, so we'll further going ahead, we'll learn about Google Ads and its console. Now let's see what's a keyword. Okay, so here is a short video for you all. See it, and we'll discuss going further.
बचपन की तंग गली फिर से कूदे.
Okay, so you saw this video. So what is in this video? Whatever that girl is typing in the Google search console is a keyword. So keyword is basically a word that is used to search something on Google. Okay, Google or any search engine. So whatever words you type are the words. Okay, so when you separate these words, the key and words. So key is whatever that opens a lock, and words. Okay, so words which opens the lock for the search engine to search different pages on the world wide web. Okay, on the internet, and show you the results. So those words are keywords. Okay, now what are the different types of keywords? So first is broad match. Okay, so when you put in the Google in your AdWords that your ad should be shown for pink hats, and if you write it just like that, that means what it means. Let's go and see. So broad match is AdWord default match type. Broad match lets a keyword trigger your ad whenever someone searches for that phrase. Okay, now you have to keep in mind these things. Okay, that phrase, then similar phrases, singular forms, plural forms, synonyms, and even misspellings, relevant variations, and other related searches. So you would use broad match if you want to target as many as people as possible. Okay, so if you want to target everyone who is searching for pink hats and anything related to that, it will show your ad to them. But what are its pros and cons? So broad match allow you to reach a wide range of people, receive the most impression value. So you will have a lot of search term data to help you find new potential keywords. Okay, so when someone searches for similar things, then what will happen? Your advertisement will be shown to them. And once your advertisement is shown to them, then they will come to your website if they click on it. Okay, so what will happen is when they start coming to your website through those ads, you will realize slowly with your Google Ads console, your Google Analytics, that what are the keywords that people are searching to reach your website. And then later ahead, what you can do is you can pick which is the most searched keywords and then use those keywords to push your ads and remove this broad match, right? And what is con? So you will receive a lot of unnecessary clicks, which can waste budget and will require you to constantly check the search term, report for negative keywords, right? So because it is a broad match and people are not exactly looking for that thing, maybe they're looking for something else, but your advertisement is there, they clicked on it, so now you will have to pay for that, right? So if you pay for that, what will happen, it will reduce your budget, and the amount you're spending on the ads, you will receive less conversion. And now we'll see the next category, modified broad. So when you put plus sign in front of the keywords, it becomes modified broad. Modified broad still offers a lot of reach. However, it gives you more control than you get it with broad match. So if someone searches for plus pink plus hats, those terms must be in the user's query. However, they don't have to be in that order, and there can be other terms in there too. So, like what will happen? So if someone searches for pink hats in New Delhi, so still it will be shown hats that are pink. So what happens is hats and pink, these both words are there in the keyword. Then also the advertisements will be shown, right? So that is modified broad. But what happened in broad matches, even if it is related to that, then also it will show. So suppose if someone searches pink cap, then modified broad, if you're using, it will not show the ads. But if you're using broad match, maybe it will show the advertisement, right? So that is the difference. What is the pro? Still a lot of search volume, but more targeted than just broad match keywords, right? So it is more targeted. So if you are suppose using words like buy, search, okay, prices, so if you use these type of words, so what will happen is it will only show ads to the people who are intending to buy those things, right? So you can use purchase intentional keywords to target the people who are more specifically looking to buy rather than just researching about the products. And what is the con? You'll still get irrelevant searches which can waste budget and will require you to constantly check the terms, report for negative keywords, right? So you still need to do the research, right? even in modified broad. Next is phrase. So when you put things in double inverted comma, so now the things changes. Phrase match allows your ad to trigger when a user types in the exact phrase or the phrase which search term added either before or after the phrase. Okay, so pink hats, buy pink hats, pink hat reviews. Okay, these are the examples. So in phrase, what will happen is now something has to be before it, after it, but nothing in between this. Okay, so it is a step ahead from modified broad. What happens in modified broad? These and this two words are there, so they can be in same order, different order. There can be words before, in between, and after also. But these two words have to be there, right? But in phrase, these two words will have to be in same sequence, okay, and nothing in between them. Okay, so it allows a high degree of control over the search query. And the cons can be, as there can be terms before or after the phrase, you may still get some irrelevant searches. But from broad, modified broad to phrase, the number of irrelevant searches goes down. And then last is exact. So when you put it in a square bracket, exact matches is the most targeted match type of the four. Your ad will only appear if user type that exact phrase. Okay, so if your keyword is pink hat, the user must type in pink hats to have your ad appear. Okay, even if he uses anything else, okay, hats pink, or just he instead of hats he use pink hat, then also your ad will not show up. Okay, so pros is it is extremely targeted, and cons is no potential to uncover new keywords and low impression share. Okay, because it is the exact. So if people are using that exact keyword, then only your ad will show, otherwise it will not show. Okay, so these are the four type of keywords, and we will continue Google ads in our next upcoming videos. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.